Hello dear traders and welcome to Insta TV. You're watching financial news with me, Anna Kasatkina. Traders were selling the greenback off during the previous week amid expectations of a negative GDP data from the US. However, its purchases resumed on Thursday evening after the news that a slowdown in the growth of the American economy was not as major as it was forecast. As a result, the US dollar managed to inch up to its 10-week high against the yen. The dollar-yen pair consolidated near 112 points. Investors are selling the yen in the hope that the trade conflict will be resolved soon. This week's trade sentiment is obviously different. Nevertheless, it can also change sharply. Currently, the greenback's demand is also rising amid the upcoming labor data from the US, which is due on Friday. Employment is anticipated to have a minor increase, while the average hourly earnings index is going to show a notable gain. Although if the reports disappoint traders, the greenback sell-off will be resumed. The market-moving event of the week is the ECB policy meeting, which is due on Thursday. Judging by the dynamic of the euro-dollar pair, investors do not share high hopes. Market participants assume the ECB board to give up the intention of gradual monetary tightening. Meanwhile, the euro-dollar pair is losing ground and trading at near 1.1330 at the moment of the news release. The pound-dollar pair is more resilient even despite downbeat fundamental data. Today, the currency pair is trading sideways at around the level of 1.3200, with prospects for a further decline. Business activity in the UK construction sector eased for the first time in the recent 11 months. The PMI fell to 49.5 in February, below the threshold line of 50 points, which separates expansion from contraction. However, the market took no notice of the negative print, as the construction sector is of secondary importance to the British economy compared to the service sector. The UK services PMI will be published tomorrow. Analysts expect the index to drop to the critical level of 50 points. As a result, the pound-dollar pair could resume a bearish trend. The UK services PMI will be published tomorrow. Analysts expect the index to drop to the critical level of 50 points. As a result, the pound-dollar pair could resume a bearish trend. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you back soon.